Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from YouthBuddy. Dear students, aspiring teachers, content creators, educators, and all the young sharp minds tuning in. Have you ever faced this situation? You want to explain something clearly, maybe a concept, a diagram, or even a quick idea, but you don't have a board, paper, or the right tools. Or maybe you are attending an online class or preparing for an explanation video and you are struggling to present your ideas in a neat and engaging way. Sometimes, even when we know the topic well, explaining it visually becomes difficult. We end up using random apps, screenshots, or messy notes that don't look professional at all. And let's be honest, this can be frustrating, especially when you want to teach, present, or share something important. But don't worry, we've got a super simple solution for you, Teaching Whiteboard tool from YouthBuddy. And it's completely free. If you are someone who loves teaching, explaining concepts, creating educational content, or even just organizing your thoughts visually, this is especially for you. Now let's understand how this amazing tool works in a very simple way. First, open the Teaching Whiteboard tool from YouthBuddy using the link provided. You don't need to download anything, just open it directly in your browser. Next, once the tool loads, you'll see a clean and simple canvas screen. Think of it like your personal digital whiteboard. Then, start writing or drawing whatever you want. You can use your mouse, touchpad, or even your finger if you are using a mobile device. After that, you can add shapes, lines, arrows, or even highlight important points. This makes your explanation more clear and visually appealing. Next, if you make a mistake, don't worry. You can easily erase or undo your steps instantly. No stress, no confusion. Then, you can organize your content neatly, whether it's notes, diagrams, flowcharts, or explanations. And finally, once you are done, you can save your work or use it for teaching, presentations, or sharing with others. Now let's talk about some of the key features that make this tool super useful. One of the best features is its real-time usage. Everything you write or draw appears instantly, making your explanation smooth and natural. Another great feature is the simple and user-friendly interface. Even if you are using it for the first time, you'll understand it within minutes. It also supports flexibility. Whether you want to draw, write, or explain visually, you can do everything in one place. And the best part? No downloads required. You don't need to install any software. Just open and start using it. It works perfectly on both mobile and desktop devices. So whether you are at home, in class, or on the go, you can access it anytime. Now let's look at how this tool actually helps you. First, it saves a lot of time. Instead of switching between apps or tools, everything is available in one place. Second, it removes confusion. Your explanations become clean, structured, and easy to understand. Third, it improves your presentation skills. Whether you are teaching or explaining, your content looks more professional. Fourth, it's extremely useful for students. You can revise topics, draw diagrams, and prepare notes easily. For job seekers, this tool can help you explain ideas during interviews or presentations. And for content creators, this is a great way to create engaging educational content. Overall, it makes your learning and teaching experience much smoother and more effective. Let me share a quick example. Imagine you are trying to explain a science concept or a math problem. Instead of just talking, you can draw it step by step. This makes it easier for others to understand and even for you to remember. That's the power of visual learning, and this tool makes it effortless. At the end of the day, tools like this don't just help you work better, they help you express your ideas clearly. Because remember, good communication is not just about speaking, it's about making others understand. Stay tuned for more useful info. For this tool, click the link in description or explore it directly under the Education section on the YouthBuddy website. Yours Gayatri from YouthBuddy, signing off.